Hello, and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Also, AVAX does see some upside here at the moment. Well, I mean, a lot of people happy that we start to see a little bit of movement. I mean, to be honest, that is not a lot for crypto at the moment. Yes, we moved off, the low here, which was made around 1370 to around about 1480, but that is really not much and not enough to say we have bottomed. In fact, all we're doing at the moment is still another lower high, and we've made a lower low. But AVAX is one of the coins where we said, okay, we can actually count it complete. Doesn't mean the low is in, but it means it can be in, and it means we just need to wait for a signal to confirm it. It is one of the coins where we could count here a complete W, X, Y structure. And in the Y wave, we counted an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave down as complete. Yeah. And now we just need to see, do the bulls have the power to bring the price, first of all, above this trend line, and we're just fighting with it. We're just basically there. And we would then, in the next step, need to break above the wave 4 high at around 1534. So getting above that level would increase the chances for a low in place. Ultimately, what I want to see is a 5-wave move to the upside and a 3-wave pullback. So the next deeper retracement will tell the truth. Unfortunately, this is not a very clear impulse to the upside. It just isn't. Yeah, you can count it as a possible impulse, but it's not reliable because this wave is too. Oh, let me just double check that. But the let me see. In terms of Fibonacci extensions, yeah, no, it's way too short. That third wave there, it's just not. Unless, but then you have a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup, completely unreliable. Therefore, here I'm not convinced yet, but of course it's allowed to turn around at any time. AVAX, yeah, can turn around at any time, like many other altcoins as well. So on the flip side, it also still has a bit of space to the downside. It can go all the way to 12.99 without invalidating or risking to invalidate the current scenario of a wave 2 correction, which could then result in a third wave rally. But it has done what it needed to do. It came down in its Y wave below the wave W. It is in the trend reversal area. That's where we wanted it. And it shows some upside potential now, but it's just not enough yet to indicate we have bottomed. But we start to see obviously some bullish sentiment in the market, but really for the first day today in a few weeks, really. So it's 2 weeks still. And it's interesting to see a lot of people get emotional already. Whereas not much happened, okay? Not much happened. We're just at the price of, people ask, I'm, also with Bitcoin, people concerned that they missed the low. First of all, it's not even confirmed that we've bottomed, okay? And then, we're just at the price level here that we already saw on the 16th of May. So we haven't done much, okay? Also, it's weekend. I would take every move on the weekend with a pinch of salt. And we also need to see how sustainable it is. But I've always said to you, as soon as price enters these trend reversal areas, and Ethereum has entered it, Bitcoin has entered it, most altcoins, I think all altcoins are in the support zones. If it turns around, it will be fast. It will be fast. It can be as fast as it was down here, yeah. And it seems then like unexpected, but obviously now we have a support zone. We have to expect it at any point here. And it could be that when I can confirm it, the price has already rallied like 5 to 10%, okay? It just is what it is. That's why I like to use a strategy in crypto to buy the pullbacks and just to see, and just to see. And however, be aware where the invalidation point is so you can move your stop losses adequately. But hey, there is not much more to say about AVAX. It could have bottomed here, absolutely. But first of all, it needs to break above the trend line. It needs to break above the wave 4 high. And at that point, it would be good to have 5 waves up. Yeah, because it can also get another low, no problem. And it can get another low if I'm counting the move instead of a WXY, if I count it as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Because then we need basically one more high and one more low, like on the Solana chart, in case you've watched this video. But then that's not a problem, because as long as it's holding 12.99, it can still hold this particular setup and rally in a third wave afterwards. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.